Hi, can we meet you?
My name is Nelson. I am an intern at Odyssey Educational Foundation and I am from Veritas University of Abuja.
So how's your stay been at Odyssey?
My stay at Odyssey has been going very well. It's a very wonderful experience.
So what have you learned so far at Odyssey?
Well, I've picked up a lot of things, like my coding skills have improved a lot, and I've also gotten good knowledge about basic programming languages, and also I've seen a lot of hardware tools which I didn't even know existed.
So what's your feedback to Odyssey Educational Foundation?
I would recommend Odyssey to anyone, and they should just keep up the good work.
Okay, thank you. Hi, can we meet you?
Hi, my name is Gabriel Oga. I'm an intern at Odyssey Foundation. I'm from Veritas University, software engineering.
So how's your stay been at Odyssey?
Odyssey is very calm place. Like I like my colleagues and my tutors. They are kind of good. They are very good. They are superb.
What have you learned so far at Odyssey?
I've learned a lot of things from Odyssey. Like their machines are top notch. They have a lot of machines that are good for young ones and someone who's used to them.
So what's your feedback to Odyssey Educational Foundation?
Personally, I feel like Odyssey is a very good place, so don't really have much stuff to talk about, but like what the place needs something like it's more global, like to show the world, because they have a lot of things. So they could make, I don't know if you get me, like they could make the foundation more big, like feel me, like something so that more people can come online. That type of stuff.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, can we meet you?
Hello, good day. My name is David Ogawa. I'm an intern at Odyssey Foundation. Okay. My name is David Ogawa, and I'm an intern at Odyssey Foundation in Gwarimpa from Veritas University of Abuja.
So how have your stay been at Odyssey?
So far, I've spent 2 months and I think about 2 to 3 weeks. My stay at Odyssey Foundation has been a very good one because we're taught so many things that I've never learned before, like from scratch to Raspberry Pi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the Pico rather, and then web development and Flutter. Because back in school, I didn't do Flutter, I just did React with JavaScript, yes.
Okay. So what's your feedback to Odyssey Educational Foundation?
Okay. Starting, I think the first few months, we were just at the hall for learning. So, going further, I would like to say, like bringing the interns and the workers together would definitely be a better experience for everybody.
Thank you.